Well, good morning everyone and welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. This morning we are going to make some waffles along with some grits, scrambled eggs with cheese, and bacon, which I've already cooked at 325 for a half hour in the oven. So without further ado, I hope everyone is having a great morning. Let's get this party started. So this is the water I have for the grits according to the instructions, and I've never ever you guys used the instructions off grits. I've made it so many times, but for those who've never made grits, I'm gonna go from the instructions on the box. This is for 2 servings, so we need a half a cup of grits and 2 cups of water. I have the 2 cups of water boiling. I also added some margarine in there if you want, that's optional, or butter. I'm gonna go ahead and stir in the grits. Of course, if I was not holding the iPad, you guys, I would be stirring this at the same time. So pour it in there lightly, stir it in. We're gonna bring this to a boil. Now for me, I don't think that is enough grits. But today we're gonna follow the instructions and see how it comes out. Meanwhile, I am going to use water instead of grease or butter or margarine for my eggs. Now my eggs are already scrambled. I actually have 3. I've taken out the white part that's normally in the eggs because I really do not like that white showing up in scrambled eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and let the grits go ahead and cook. I'm going to turn it down on low and cover it. As you see, it's coming to a boil. My niece wanted to know how I make my grits so creamy. So hopefully Shell, this comes out right. Just for you, dear. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and mix up the batter for the waffles. I'm going to go ahead and put a lid on this, turn it down to low, voila, and we're going to get this party started on the waffles. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and mix up this waffle mix with my Aunt Mama pancake mix. And however you want your waffles, if you want them thicker, use less water. Just going to pour in the water until I get to my consistency of how I want my waffles to be. I like fluffy waffles and pancakes. And that should do it. Right. Now you can see the batter a little bit better. Now, of course, you know, my famous olive oil pan. Spray the top and the bottom so it won't stick. Of course, y'all know my cats are in the background doing their normal when I'm cooking, making noise. So if you hear them, that's them clowning around this morning. So I'm pour this from the center and let it fill. And I only need 1 this morning, you guys. I'm not eating waffles, I'm eating grits, so. That's just enough I made, you guys. Just enough batter. Perfect. All right. Let's close this up. Lock it. And let it do its thing. Now, I haven't added any ingredients to the eggs. I'll season them at the very end. Go ahead and pour this in here. And basically, all we're going to do is let it boil. If you have never used water, you guys, it is going to work. Trust and believe me, it is going to work. And I actually prefer using water in my eggs opposed to anything else. I want to just actually show you how these eggs are going to cook inside of this without grease or butter or anything else that you normally use to scramble your eggs. So look at it, y'all. This is how it's coming out. See? It's gonna cook. Trust and believe me, okay? Trust and believe me. I'm not here to stir you wrong. I'll be right back when the eggs are done. Just wanted to show you an update on the eggs. You can see that water in there. See? Look at that, you guys. Yummy eggs made with water, boiled in water. Can't get no better than that, guys. And it's healthier. Trust and believe me. Okay, so let's cook a few more minutes to that water drain out of here pretty much. That's why I said you only need like a half cup of water. And you should be fine. I'm gonna let this go ahead and cook down a little bit more. And I'm gonna top it with some cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. I'm gonna go ahead and look at this grits back here. Look at that, you guys. Look. Would you eat this grits? Is that how your grits normally look? This is how mine gonna look this morning. Trust and believe. It is creamy. Okay? I'm gonna get that plated up for you as well. And I'll come right back to you. Now you can season your eggs with anything you like. I actually use Slap Your Mama with some pepper. I'm gonna toss in my cheese now. And like I said, you can use any type of cheese that you like. I'm gonna let that melt in there. And for the grits, I'm just gonna add some salt. Just a little bit of salt. You know, grits gotta be seasoned. I'm not gonna add any pepper. Salt is fine for me to use. And this is probably like the only thing I use like regular salt with, you guys. It's definitely with grits. That's something I cannot substitute. Okay, we're almost done. Give me one more minute and I'll come back and definitely show you the finished product. So this is the finished breakfast. We have our crispy bacon in the oven, 325 for 30 minutes. If you want to cook it on a higher temperature, you just need less time. We have our eggs with our cheese that's been cooked in water. I topped it with Slap Your Mama seasoning and pepper. Our creamy, oh my Lord, this one waiting to get into, y'all, right here. And of course I added some more butter. Margarine. I love this. Y'all know, my favorite right there. That's all I need. And then his waffle. So I'm going to chow down on this grits. Let you sample it with me. Let's see. Since this is my main meal for today, this morning, let me get a good stir in here. Okay, y'all ready? Yeah, see it? Shell. This is your creamy grits, girl. I hope you make it. Leave me a comment below. If y'all not stopping over for breakfast this morning, y'all go ahead and make this recipe for your family, okay? Quick and easy, nothing to it. All right? Until then, God bless you. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll be back this afternoon, probably for lunch or either dinner, to make you some shrimp. Yes. Y'all know I'm allergic to shrimp, but I'm making shrimp this afternoon. So I hope you come back and watch that video as well. Until then, God bless.